So you have a new building, right? With a lot of units, like what you see right now on the screen. So you have renderings, you have photos, you have floor plans, you have amenities list, you have a lot of information to provide to your users, right? So the problem is, and this has happened to all the real estate developers, don't worry if you find yourself in this scenario, okay? So what always happen is you have a situation like this one. So I pick just a random new development, website from Google, and myself here. Okay. So this is a classic example. Nothing different from 99% of other similar websites of new developments. Okay. So you have a website where you have several pages: residence, amenities, gallery, information about the neighborhood. As you can see, all this information are spread across. Let's take residence 1 page, amenities 2 page, neighborhood 3 pages, gallery 4, and contact 5. So I needed to navigate 5 pages to collect this information. So I think we solved this problem very well. And this is why I want to introduce you to SuitesFlow. So SuitesFlow is an application that works on your browser. So it's not an application that you need to download and to install on your device. It's a simple URL. So you share this URL, everybody, they have access immediately to this application that you see right now here. So I immediately see the building that it was on 1 page on the website I just showed you. So I have a 3D interactive model of the building where I can appreciate the design of the building, the amenities, at least the amenities I can see, and is the second page that I show you in the building, the amenity. So everything is here accessible. Then you can move the mouse over and you can access to all the layout and floor plans that are in this building. But also immediately you can see if a layout is available or not available, because when the mouse goes over, it shows green when it's available or red when it's not available. Again, this is another page, but again, everything is here. In the moment I click on it, I access the gallery. In this case, the gallery has a tour, and I can move around, and I immediately have a sense of the finishings, the features of the apartment, and so on. I have all the information here, and I can access to the floor plan, like what you see here, or I can contact your team. And it's in one application. Within a 5 click, I get the same information I get in the previous website I show you in 5 different pages. 5 different pages means a lot of friction. And when you offer friction to your users, that's when the problem starts to arise, because people don't want friction. People want easy access to information. But also very important is the ability, to get this information very quickly and very easily. Okay, so if I want to see, for example, the amenities, I just mouse over. When the overlay became pink, that means it's an amenity. That means I can access, for example, in this case, the lobby, but I can go back. I can access, for example, I can check the pool. I can understand where the pool is located into the building, and I can look at the pool and all the features of the pool. In this case, we also have the barbecue area here. We can move around, look around. We can have. They also have the beach, the beach volley field. And in any moment, I can go back to the building and start again my adventures, moving around virtually. I can understand the orientation of the building, for example. If I want to show the west, this is the west, and so on. So how the building is located into the area, that is not visible because everything is white. Oh, I have a button here that says switch to BOI map, a point of interest. That means when I click on that, I immediately get into the point of interest that are close to the building. And not just, I can select them. For example, if I want to see all the restaurants, I can highlight all the restaurants that are, within the other side, 5 minutes away, walking, 5 minutes driving time or whatever. And when you mouse over, you see which kind of amenity it is and how far is from the building. and you can have a success if the building is with area, is an urban area, or whatever. So in this case, this is a student building. They decided very smart to showcase the position of the universities, and you can see immediately that are like a 20 minutes working time, 22 minutes, and so on. In any moment, you can switch back to the interactivity of the building. Also, as you can see, the building is it's a very realistic, because the colors, the materials are exactly what you will have in the building when it will be built. So this is the parking of the building. You can get close, as you can see. You can move around. So again, you have access to 7-8 pages within one application very easily. And on top of this, we can capture all the analytics about where the people spend most of their time, how old they are, which are their interests, where they're coming from, geolocation, and so on. And an easy access to the dashboard. It gives you all this data, and your sales marketing, they can use this data to fine-tuning their marketing strategies or their sales strategies. Least but not last, what is available or not available is not managed by hands by doing my internet. It's simply what you have right now in the CRM that is in real time shows as available or not available into the application. Even if you change the price and you want to show the price across, whatever, it's everything is happened without any maintenance. It's a straight connection into the CRM. I believe this is super helpful to make people easy to understand your building, your amenities, your features, and get in love with your building and connect with your sales team. Again, this is SuitesFlow. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.